Breakout buy call generated, green color candle open. Like this daily automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video like this daily. You just watch this chart. This chart will give the calls like a entry point, target and stop loss. Through this entry you can do manual trade as well as auto trading also possible. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail. Today it's a Tuesday market. We are watching August 27th market. Sharply before 10:55 we have received this buy call. In Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart we are watching. End of the video we will show option chart also. It's a out of the money option. At the end of the video we will show, so you will have idea about option chart. It's a chart. You can change script like Reliance crude oil, like that you can change script and watch and you will get the signals. Okay, right now you are watching Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. The buy call came at 51,200. Can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So from 51,200 328, it's a 128 point first target range. After 30 minutes of market momentum, it successfully break out the first target range. First 20 minutes market was very low momentum, no trend, but after 20 minutes market started to move in bullish direction. In next 10 candle it break out the first target range. Out of the money option 51,500 call option we are watching. The buy call came at 89 and it moved all the way to the 150 range. It rarely happens. Whenever the market has given a good momentum, sharply in a short time it has given a good momentum, so it easily break out a 50 point momentum in out of the money option chart. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.